What's up, guys? So we're here sitting in my Lexus IS-F. I've not had this car for 3 months because it's been away getting some special work done. So Elate Manufacturing, or Travis from Elate Manufacturing, has built a proper kit that is specifically made for the Lexus IS-F. I'll show you in a moment when I pull over, but it is the job that he's done is meticulous. There's no stone that's left unturned, and it is the way you would expect it to look. So obviously the charger is sitting in the middle with no wiring or nothing. We're not complete with the tune yet, and there's some torque limitations that are occurring, and we're still trying to work through that at the moment. So currently the Supercharged has been heavily underdriven, just because we're trying to work out what it is that is sort of making the ECU unhappy. I believe once I go to VF tuner, then I think all will be good. So at the moment, you know, it's not the way it's supposed to be yet, but it still feels very perky, even just driving along day to day. It's a Harrop 2300 sitting on top of a 60mm intercooler core, and that is, I think, obviously you can opt for a 1900 Harrop or a 30mm intercooler core, so it depends on what you want to do. And then of course you can do water to air intercooler, or in this case a FI interchiller. So we're using the air conditioning system to chill the intake charge, which is even cooler again. And there's a race mode button in here in case obviously it gets too cold in the cabin. I can stop the cold from coming in, but obviously it continues to chill the intake. So a lot more to come, guys, so stay tuned. I'm going to do a video on the outside for you now to show you what it looks like, and then hopefully in a month or two we'll be done and making the power that we want. All right, guys, you have to excuse the paint on my car. It's my daily, so it gets quite rough, full of stone chips and swirls. So yeah, looking to address all that, but the main reason we're out here is to have a look at the supercharger. Shit, as you can tell, this is absolutely mint. Just look at it. Harrop 2300 is sitting loud and proud at the top there. You've got a 60mm intercooler core underneath. You've got your reservoir here for the supercharger cooling. There's a water pump down here, and then in behind this front bar, no cutting, no drilling, no nothing. This entire kit is no cutting. There's a interchiller, and Travis is also, Elate Manufacturing has also made a transmission cooler as well, so that kit I believe will also be available. So all this is available. Mind you, this here is just a prototype. There's an actual pipe coming from Elate like this. It's all going to be properly done. As you can see, the direct injection drivers are sitting on the side on a proper mount here. It looks very neat. Like, this looks factory. So I think from that point of view, this is, yeah, I think the only kit in the world that's so far made for a IS-F specifically that runs a blower, not a centrifugal charger like IR Racing. This sits on top and looks very factory. There she goes.